Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for Gmail in Windows 11 or 10 PC using Vivaldi browser. For this, first open Vivaldi browser, then visit gmail.com and sign into your account. After that, click on this one start button at the taskbar and search for Vivaldi. In the search results, right click on this one Vivaldi app. Select open file location. Again right click on this one shortcut. Select open file location. Now you'll find Vivaldi application. Select it. Press shift on the keyboard and hold it, and then right click on this one Vivaldi application. Now select copy as path option. Close this one window. Now right click on the free space on the desktop. Select here new and then shortcut option. Paste the copied path, then put one space, then hyphen, then type URL, again put one space. Now copy this one Gmail address and paste in the location box. Then click on this one next button, name it Gmail. Then click on this one finish button. This will create a desktop shortcut for Gmail. By double clicking on this one icon, it will automatically open Gmail in your Vivaldi browser in a new tab on your Windows PC.